Hi, and welcome to Decor Wraps. I'm here today to present you with a brand new product that we are super excited about. It is called our Bloom Gift Wrap. It's part of our consumer bouquet wrap line. These products are awesome because you can use them in store when you don't have a florist, when you really want to wrap a bouquet and make it turn into a gift. Now, this box right here already comes ready to display at the store. I have already pre-perforated it, as you can kind of see here, for the magic of television. But the best way to do it, you kind of put your thumb into the tab all the way around, giving it a start to the perforation, then push down the sides, and that'll help it really pop open easily. And then just take off the lid, and they're ready to go. We, shuffle them a little bit because they might have shifted during the actual shipping process, and that'll just make them look nice for the display. And then to actually use it, you can grab whichever color you like best. I will take the black one in this case. You open the bottom. It's not unlike when you buy tissue paper or something like that to put into a gift bag. Open the bottom. And the consumer, after they buy the bouquet and the product, can actually do this themselves, and it really does not require skill. It just comes like this. You unfold it just like you would unfold tissue paper. Take the ribbon from the actual product itself, open it up, unflap here. It's best if the ribbon is on the back, but it'll work whichever way. Open these peaks, and look, they're perfectly positioned to just, everything is exactly where it needs for the perfect display. Take this bouquet, we have this one here, just slide it inside. Kind of fluff up the corners a bit. It works for multiple size bouquets. If it's a larger bouquet, it just takes up more space, and if it's the smaller bouquet, you just tie it a little bit tighter. You can tie a knot, you can tie a bow. It looks great no matter what. And there you go. It's ready to go and super easy for anyone to do. There you have it, our consumer bouquet wraps from Decor Wraps. We can't wait for you to try them.